Good afternoon, traders. This is Fire Trader from firetrading.org. I just wanted to go over our morning watch list with you guys and some of the trades that we played today. It was a phenomenal day. I mean, we had a blast in the Fire Trading chat room. There was plays this morning. It was unreal. It was unreal. There was so many plays, so many potential, so much potential, and we just had fun, and it was a blast. So I wanted to go over a couple trades in our notes that we did today. The first off that I wanted to go over was SFIX. This one was a fun trade. We took it long out of the open. Um, this one I used my fire formula, as you guys can see. I've gotten a lot of questions about this, but basically it's this formula that I created where you put in the price and you put in the earnings per share and everything, and it pops up the value for you. So it's not much of a formula based, or it doesn't give you support and resistance levels. It just kind of gives you a guide of what the stock is worth and what the numbers are saying, basically, just to kind of give you an idea. And I send this to all the monthly subscribers who subscribed on a chat room, so they can use this as well and they can have their own copy. But this is what I used on SFIX. So basically, I punched this into the fire formula, and it told me that it was undervalued. I'll be honest, I was off a little bit with the range. I was looking for a pop out of the open to right here to 18 to 19, and then you can short it back down to 15. So once we started to get that pop out of the open right here, we took it long. I took it long right here off this downtrend break. You get to see right here, it came down, broke the downtrend right there. We took it long. We took it long, taking off pieces along the way, and then we set our stops, and we ended up getting stopped out as it came down. It came down, made this low, and started popping up, and we put our stops right here and got stopped out the rest right here. But it was a great trade. We didn't quite get the 18 or 19 that we wanted, but it was a great 1 point trade. The next one is Dix. Dix was the trade of the day. This one, I got it straight from the fire formula. Straight from the fire formula. I told me this was overvalued. This was nothing but a short out of the open on any pop. And I told everyone that on our pre-market prep. We discussed these notes pre-market about 45 minutes before the market even opens. And I told everyone, this is nothing but a shorting opportunity. This is up too much. Any pop out of the open up towards 40, 39 to 40 is nothing but a shorting opportunity. Short it back down to right there. All day fader back down to 35 and under. Let's take a look. Dix. We got a pop out of the open right up here, 39.15, 39.16. We topped it off. I shorted it right here. As you guys can see on this little bit of a uptrend break right here. This is where I got short right up here, 38.50, 38.60. And we took it down all day long to 35 and under right there. We hit our target, just taking off pieces along the way, and as long as the trend is in your favor, there's no reason to take it off. We saw it coming down. It got slammed down. We took off a piece right here at 37 because there's some EMA support there. And then we were watching it, and we set our stops at our entry at that point, and we let it come down. And we kept watching it. Every single one of these pop-ups got slammed back down. So it got popped up, slammed back down, popped up, slammed back down, popped up, slammed back. So we were sitting there looking at it like, oh yeah, this is going to break lower. And I told everyone you can actually add into your position right here on this break, this little bear flag. I didn't add into it, but I just let it ride, covered some more pieces right down here into 35. And then we just kept moving our stops down along the way. And eventually it kind of started making some higher lows up here. You can see right here, and we took the rest of our position off here. It was a great trade. Called to perfection. UTHR. This one had a nice upgrade this morning. $123 price target upgrade from, or not from me. It was just $123 price target upgrade. So with this one, let me show you the notes again real quick. Called for, there wasn't any market makers on it this morning. This is what this means. No MMs. So I wanted to, let's see. Oh, I wanted a long out of the open for a push right up here into 96 to 97. Top it off. Let it pull back to $94 and under, and then watch for the curl and take it long. Here it is. It opened up right here around 94, 95. Got the pop right up here to 98. Even better. Now top it off. Let it pull back to 94 and under right here. Now watch for the curl and take it long for that move to the upside. And that was a beautiful 6-point move to the upside right here after we got that pull from 98 back down to 94. Curled it, 6-point move to the upside. Beautiful. Let's see. Disney. Disney got a downgrade this morning. Now there's a trick with playing upgrades that I teach. I actually have a list of recorded webinars that it's all the monthly subscribers are able to watch. But there's a little trick when playing upgrades that we played to perfection on this one, and it was fantastic. So basically, I wanted, or if this pulls, I said right here, if this pulls out of the open, fills the gap to 104 and under, start watching for bottoming and take it long. We even shorted it down to that 104 level. Disney, here it is. Bam. Shorted it. I shorted it actually right about here on the break of this low right here. After we saw it pop up, because I was looking for it to go a little bit more right up there to that 112 area. Didn't get it. Saw it got slammed back down, so we took it on the low day break, opening range break low right there. Put our stops where they're right up here at the pre-market level, right about there. Broke the low right there, came back up, watched it, just sold off, beautiful, right down to our 104, covering along the way. Done with it right there at that 104 target, and then watch for the curl and take it long. Beautiful move to the upside. Apple, next one. So I was telling everyone that I thought the market was going to be a little choppy today, which it was. We ended up getting a nice squeeze right at the close, but yeah, it was pretty choppy. So with this one, I said right here, if we get a push out of the open to 285, watch for topping, short it. But if it does pull out of the open to 273 to 272, watch for bottoming and take it long for a nice bounce. Apple. Got the pull. We even got a pop out of the open. You could have took it long here. We didn't quite get to, what was my target, 285? Yeah, we didn't quite get to 285 on the push. But if you shorted the top, we didn't short at the top. We actually just waited for it to pull back down here, this 273 to 272 target that we wanted, and we started grabbing it long right down here. We got the nice quick pop right up here to almost 279. Beautiful pop, and then just keep moving your stops up along the way, and then SPY ended up squeezing, which was nothing but a bonus. And yeah, I think that'll be good. That'll be good. So here, so on in the fire trading chat room, basically every day we have daily live audio, daily screen share. I make this morning watch list every day. It's posted in our chat room. And it's posted about 45 minutes before the market even opens, and about 30 minutes before the market opens, 30 to 20 minutes, I hop on mic, screen share, and we go over and we discuss these notes. We discuss the news behind it, we discuss the technicals behind it, we discuss why I'm bullish on the stock, why I'm bearish on the stock, just the reason behind it, because it's important for everybody to know the reason behind the trade. Why are we trading it? Not just because it's got a nice technical setup. No, we like to look at the fundamentals behind it. Yeah, we do use technicals. We are technical traders, but we also like to look at the news behind it, because a lot of these stocks are news driven, right? So we have this daily watch list every morning. We have idea generation. We've got 3 fantastic mods in there, not including myself. and they're popping out ideas all day long. Q&A throughout the day. You guys are more than welcome to ask questions anytime. And we've got daily educational lessons on strategies, technicals, news interpretation, whatever it is you guys want me to go over. More than happy to go over it. It's recorded, posted down in a channel for all the monthly subscribers to go down and watch at their whenever they want. And yeah, if you guys want to come check us out, we got a 1-day trial for $10. We have a one week trial for $50, and a monthly for $129. There's a link down in the description if you guys want to check us out. And thanks for taking the time to watch this video. All right, thanks guys. Have a good evening, and we'll get ready to rock and roll for tomorrow morning. All right, bye.